we dropped a stitch, and this is how we're going to pick it up.
Okay, so you stick an implement into a stitch so this continues running. Then you have a double-ended latch tool that when you Google it, just say latch tool double-ended machine knitting, and they sell them on eBay. Okay, I think it's coming from Hong Kong or something. Oops. You don't want to do that. Okay, so I stick my hand up here to try to catch a loop. Get it in the loop. Okay. So sometimes it's tough to get it. Sometimes it's tough to get it in the one that the tool was in. But okay, so see, I got it right. So I hook it. Okay, in the hole. So you're kind of latching backwards. In the hole. So you just go up the ladder. In the hole.
Why is it double-ended though?
Watch.
Wait for it.
In the hole.
You're right on the rubber stopper. That's tough.
Oh, is that why? Okay. In the hole. Okay.
There you go, to pick it up. That's why.
And then you bring it up on this side.